Hey guys, it's T. Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video. And by the title, you should know what we're showcasing: doves. But to be more specific, we'll be looking at common ground doves. And do remember, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to become an Aspire to Be star and join the galaxy.
Hi guys, it's Elle, and today, common ground dove. The scientific name for the common ground dove is Columbina passerina.
Here you can see the ground doves having a jolly time cleaning themselves in the warm sunshine. Fun fact: the common ground dove can be found in parts of Central America, the Caribbean, and northern areas of South America.
The common ground dove is among the smallest doves that live in the United States. And remember to drop a comment in our comment section. Have you seen the common ground dove near you? And what colors do they have? Are they the same as ours featured here in the video? Just let us know. Drop a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.